Good morning.
Morning.
Have you seen this wizard?
So this morning we are off to Universal. We're gonna head straight into Hogsmeade yet again. No surprises here. We are later leaving than we planned to be, but it's not super late. Yeah, so we're gonna shoot off now and we will see you when we get there. We're at Universal. We just got dropped off. We're just walking to security now.
We're going to go into Hogwarts Adventure first.
Yes.
Work around
Hogsmeade. So yeah.
Where we have dinner later. Cow, fish, sushi, burger and bar.
It's so nice today. Clear blue skies. Blue skies and sunshine. Islands of adventure. Here we come. The adventure begins. Go on then, grab a map. English. Yes.
We are.
Okay, so we're in and we're probably doing what every single other person is doing, going straight to Hogsmeade. Most people start though at Diagon Alley and then get the train across, so possibly it could be quieter this side, probably not. I'm just praying.
Right, then when we come on the Friday, definitely.
Yeah, but I am praying that, wow, that music's really loud, that it isn't as busy in the Harry Potter bit as it was last time, because you literally couldn't walk, like it was crazy, but I'm just excited to get back in.
So Hagrid'S is at 90 minutes and the one in the castle is at 45.
That's not too bad then.
Everyone's managed to get there.
Yeah. It's thing 1 and thing 2. They're a little bit creepy, I'm not gonna lie. They're not creepy in the film, but their costumes are kind of. Hogsmeade train station. Back into Hogsmeade. Yay! Oh, the music. Oh, and the castle back there. They're gonna pop into Honeydukes quickly. It's so cute. It feels so real, doesn't it? All the chocolate frogs and the cards in the window. Wow.
What are you expecting?
Oh, it's so cute. I mean, this is sweet, isn't it? This is so cool.
Yeah, he did it hard.
This is what we're getting. So cool. So we're gonna get in the queue for Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. So it says 90 minutes, but we will see. Okay, so we just did the Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure, and oh my god, wasn't it good?
Best ride I've been on this trip.
It was incredible.
Best roller coaster.
Yeah, it was incredible. Like there's so many bits that you don't even expect to happen. It was just mental, and it goes so fast, and there's unexpected bits, but I'm not going to ruin it, so it's really just insane. So good. One of the best rides that I think I've ever been on.
Yeah, same here.
We're going to go on it again later.
Yep, and now we're getting busted here.
We are, we're getting a frozen one to try this time. Yum!
Still can't get over that ride.
Got our butterbeer.
Yeah, frozen.
Yeah, we're trying a frozen one, and it's really nice. Going in.
Here we go, let's do it.
Here we go.
Harry Potter!
Oh wow, look at it, Lee.
Come to the
Wow.
It does, it's like he's about to sneeze.
Wow, it's so amazing. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, bye. We just came off of Harry Potter's Forbidden Journey.
Yeah,
And
really good.
it was amazing.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So good.
We've not like looked into any of these rides, have we?
No, we had no idea what they were like.
Yeah, we don't know what to expect. That was well good.
No, it was so good. Not how I expected it to be at all, but it was amazing. And we were saying you don't mind queuing for a longer amount of time because the queues themselves are like an attraction.
Yeah.
They're amazing. Like they've got all the talking photos, like paintings on the wall, and it's just unreal.
And the queues honestly, not bad. That was 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And like as you say, it didn't feel like that, but it
No.
was. But it didn't feel like
the
it. And
Hagrid's one was supposed to be 90, but that was only about 45.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get on the Hogsmeade to King's Cross station train. I just keep saying to Lee, I don't know what it is. I keep getting really emotional. I'm feeling like I'm about to cry. I did actually cry a little bit in the last queue.
Just about to go off on Hagrid attempted to
Yeah, I don't know what it is. It just feels so real here, like you're actually there, and it's so like magical, and I don't know, I can't talk about it, but the music and everything, like the soundtrack from Harry Potter is just like one of the best ones ever.
I said to Izzie, I want to try and get some vinyl while we're here because they're doing a shop.
Yeah.
I want to definitely get Harry Potter vinyl.
Yeah, no, that would be so cool.
While you're eating your breakfast.
Yeah, heading over to Diagon Alley,
Diagon.
London King's Cross station to platform 9 3/4.
My favourite saying of Harry Potter is definitely from the first one when he smashes something and doing goes, sorry about that. Every time I do something wrong, someone has to go at me, hey, sorry about that.
So we're out of King's Cross. Oh look, a bookshop. Look Lee, that's what you need, a record shop. So good to be back, and it is not as busy as it was the other day. I just love it here so much. It's amazing. It really does feel like you're here. It's so creepy in here, it's so dark. It literally doesn't even show on camera how dark it is. You have to watch your step. Wow. These are so cool. The tricks are strange. We're in the leaky cauldron. This is the menu. We do a Clanacan. This is my lemonade. It's so yellow and Lee got a butterbeer. I'm a Hufflepuff, so... No, you're not. You're a Hufflepuff. You took the quiz. You're a Hufflepuff. I don't know if you are a Gryffindor. I'm sorry to say. It's so cool in here. Wow. So we both got Toad in the Hole, and we got a side of mash because it doesn't come with it, but at home you'd always have it with mash. It looks pretty good though. The shop is so cool. I'm really backwards and forwards on the thing. Got little pygmy puffs everywhere. Woo! Lee, I want one of these. Look how cute he is. Into the little sweet shop. It's so cute in here. So many chocolate frogs. I want a pygmy puff. I love them. I don't know if you can see. All the owls are in their little things. He's moving. Got loads of them in there. No one ever knows when he's going to go. I forgot to say, for all the excitement of Harry Potter, that Lee actually lost his sunglasses on the Hagrid motorbike ride.
I don't know where. They were on my chest when I went on and they weren't going to come off.
He's going to have to find a new pair because it's very, very sunny, and he's currently doing this place. We're going on Transformers. Never been on this one before. The building it's in is humongous. Cool. How exciting. Wow. Oh my god, this is so cool. Wow.
Go midweek.
Oh my god, yes. Because, well, not even a Friday.
Tuesday, Wednesday, go there.
Yeah. Ooh, this is so cool. Wow.
The Autobots cannot protect you. They were defeated on our world, and we will defeat them here. Take the Allspark to safety. Optimus out.
That's it. We're mission go.
Protect
Gotta
the
go
Allspark.
now. Bye. That is so cool.
Helipad, yeah.
So we're going on Rip Ride Rocket.
Tell you what, it looks really cool at night though.
Yeah, it does look really good at night.
Look at that.
It's so big. My ear was still really bad and blocked up the last time we went on this, so I couldn't like take it in properly because I felt really weird and like zoned out. But this time I will take it in and I will actually enjoy it. So yeah, I'm so excited. Yay! Oh, and Lee will actually try and get his music working this time.
I hope the video will work.
Yeah, hopefully. Goes so high up. up, doesn't it? Whoa! Rip Ride Rocket. So good, wasn't it?
Such a great ride.
What song did you have?
I had Kanye West, Stronger.
And I had Stronger, but the Daft Punk version, and it was so good. It made it seem like really, I don't know, just fun. It was so good.
Love that ride.
Yeah. Oh, the Blues Brothers. That's so cool. We just did the Mummy.
What a ride that is.
It's so good.
So, yeah.
Really throws you around though,
Well,
like
yeah.
majorly. It kind of hurts a little bit sometimes where you're like, oh. Also, the Jimmy Fallon ride is actually quite good, isn't it? Yeah, definitely. This is so cool. We're going into the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. It's so cool. It looks like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Wow. Oh my god. These literally look like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory bars.
So satisfying.
Oh my gosh, wow. And all the jarred candies, oh my goodness me. I don't think I've ever seen so many different flavours of macaroni in my life. I've got so many flavours. It's so beautiful. Wow. Went into the chocolate emporium and came out with 2 macarons, but they look insane. And I got a s'mores one that looks really nice. So this is my one. Ooh, s'mores, delicious. Straight after eating macarons, straight onto Hulk.
It's such a good ride.
It is so
Favourite
good.
It's when, we've only done it once, but it's when it comes down on the loop towards the water. I just think it looks so cool.
Yeah. Wish us luck, and I just really, really hope that we don't just throw all our food back up. So we just rode Hulk twice. We're now going on Spider-Man. So yeah, we did Hulk 2 times in a row, didn't we?
Yeah, it's really good.
It was so good. But yeah, Spider-Man for the first time ever. We just came off of Spider-Man and really good, isn't it?
Again.
Really good. It's similar to Transformers, isn't it?
I think it's better though. Personally.
Yeah, I think it's better. Really good fun. Yeah. We're gonna go on King Kong. We haven't tried this one yet, so hopefully it will be good. It looks good. Yeah. Oh no. It's no good for someone who's scared of the dark.
Yeah.
Me. So we did King Kong.
Yeah, really
It was
good.
really good, even if I was a little bit scared. Whoa. It's so beautiful. Out of Jurassic Park and into Hogsmeade. Beautiful. Back into Hogsmeade. The place where we belong. Oh, I just love it here so much. If I could just live here, that would be great. Oh, wow. It's so beautiful. Heading into Owl Post. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, look. I love this. I want one as a pet. What are we doing?
I'm gonna do Hagrid'S. It's
Again.
got a good view.
Have you seen this wizard?
So lovely with the moon out. Wow. We went back onto Hagrid's Motorbike adventure, which was absolutely incredible, like the best roller coaster I think I've ever been on.
The problem we've got, just to explain, is that the motorbike seat is a lot bigger than the smaller seat. So
The cart seat.
Yeah, so it's a bit of a struggle with my legs getting on the cart. In a tester seat I fit, but when we actually went on it, because it's a moving thing, we haven't got a bit of time to like really push down, and I don't think that Dan wanted to. I think it's a bit worried about pushing down my legs, so.
We were going to try it the other way around so that I could go on the motorbike and Lee would go in the side car. On the outside tester seat, he fit in the cart seat, so I don't really know what happened, but it's so different to other ones. I won't ruin it by saying what happened, so, but you can look it up online if you want to see. We were going to watch the light show on Hogwarts, but it was so busy all of a sudden, and everyone was pushing and barging everyone out the way, and then they didn't tell anyone that it was actually full up and nobody else could get in to see the show, so we just left it. We're going to go and see if we can jump on Hulk one more time before going, and then we're going to Cowfish for dinner tonight, aren't we?
Yep.
Which should be really, really nice. We've heard some very good things about it, so yes, exciting. Hulk was a 30-minute wait, so we couldn't really be bothered to wait that long.
Yeah.
But we're going to go and get dinner at Cowfish now, so yay. And Lee has just said that, what?
We go to Epcot after, so we've got extra magic hours till 11.
Which is super good, so we get to do 2 parks today, which is really nice.
Tell you about the things I like to do. You know your smile is lighting up the room.
Yeah, we just came in and we said inside, outside, heated bar, blah blah blah. So loads of different areas you can sit in, which is nice. We're in, it's really nice. Cool. Okay, so this is a huge selection of burgers. And then you've got loads of like sushi and everything on that side. Lee is having the jalapeno popper showstopper, and I'm having the boursin bacon burger. Favourite ride of the day, go.
Hagrid'S.
Yes. Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure. Yeah, that was my favourite one as well. Harry Potter's Forbidden Journey was so good.
Weird though, it's so really good, but weird like I wasn't expecting it.
No, I wasn't expecting it either.
I'm expecting good things happening tonight.
Yes, okay, so this is mine. Awesome bacon burger. This is, what is it?
Jalapeno popper.
Yum.
Can I call you when I get back home? So we can talk about you and I.
I'm getting this one.
Or can you tell me what you wanna do? I'll do anything you ask me to.
Good things come in pink boxes. Cute. We had cowfish. It was delicious, wasn't it?
It was pretty good.
I can't talk here. It's too loud. Oh no.
Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again?
So we had a tiny fail, didn't we?
Yep.
The plan was to go straight to Epcot from Universal, but then we figured no magic bands. So we are heading back into our room now to get our bands, and then we'll go back out again.
You might think that you need your magic band to get into your room, but you don't. You just need your phone and the app. As per, straight on the bed, so we're not going back out now.
Here we are.
Well, I thought I'd show you. So we've got donuts. My donuts. I got with dirt. The best thing in the world when you like, they're like, what do you want? You're like, dirt. Dirt, please. But yeah, boring, so I had it last time, but
The only ones on the bus. King and Queen of the bus.
yeah.
Nobody else is going to Epcot at 9 o'clock at night. So, we are in where? Yes, it is 9:30 and we're just coming into Epcot and my camera doesn't want to focus. In we go. It's so incredible this, isn't it? Like, it just doesn't look as big on camera as it actually is. Like, it's absolutely massive. But it's really nice walking in and literally everybody is walking out. Yay! Because it's only resort guests that are allowed in now. So, yay. Fun! Straight on to Spaceship Earth. Yay! This is Lee's new favourite dance move, courtesy of me. It's my dance move that Lee has stolen, and it's now doing this. I don't know what's happening. It's a walk-on! Yay!
Welcome to the future. Or should I
That's actually really cool. That's so cool. Spaceship Earth. It was actually really good fun, wasn't it? But I think I've been stupid and I've left my camera batteries in my bag. I haven't brought my bag, so I might have to film a little bit on my phone or just not film that much. But yeah, all the floor's glowing. It's so pretty. We're heading in to do soaring. It's only a 10-minute wait, which is really good. And then we're gonna try and dash around to Frozen to possibly get on it just before park closing. Fingers crossed, might not happen, but you never know. So we're on a mad dash, walking around to Norway to see if we can possibly jump on Frozen just before it closes.
It's dead.
It is, but my battery's about to die and I don't know that we're gonna get on it, but it's worth a try. I think we have made it to Frozen, yay! It's 5 minutes to 11 and we made it on.
Almost died. Running.
Yay! No, not yay that you nearly died. It's so pretty in here. Wow. Oh, and I'm not going to film it today because I want to experience it for the first time. Okay, oh, I look a mess, but we are going to bed now. I've got all my makeup off, as you can tell. Yeah, so we will see you in the morning for another day of Universal. Good night.